Beston, 32 inches, HD Ready Smart LED TV. Product information. ThinQ AI. ThinQ is here to maximize your TV experience. Choose your favorite built-in voice assistant to control your TV with just your voice or browse through all the OTT apps for the latest content and movies. ThinQ AI evolves with you. It observes your watching pattern and recommends the kinds you like. Content Store. All your favorite apps and latest games are now available on the App Store. Dual band Wi-Fi. Enjoy high-speed internet connectivity with up to 1 Gbps internet speed. Smartphone as remote. Use your smartphone as the second remote and enjoy voice assistance. Just download the LG ThinQ application. Alexa built-in. Traverse swiftly through the unparalleled world of entertainment using Alexa voice control. Just press and ask. Two-way Bluetooth. Connect any Bluetooth device easily and swiftly to enjoy music on this WebOS TV. Power of HDR10 plus HLG. HDR10 boosts color saturation, optimizes content frame by frame to provide you with the ultimate viewing experience. Hybrid Log Gamma or HLG provides a plethora of colors, which in turn enhance the functionality of HDR10. Dolby Audio. Dolby Audio takes the audio experience to a different level altogether, making the experience so real, it puts you in the middle of the action with high-fidelity, multi-level surround sound. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.